Hello, welcome to East TX Land Solutions. You'd like to see how we get past this to this. So, accompany me in this process. Today we present the cleaning of the acre. Our client loves outdoor activities, such as taking care of the horses, has a beautiful farm, where people can take the horses to be cared for by a highly trained team. But he had a minor drawback: he has a lot of trees around his pond. And you couldn't see how wonderful his pond was. Luckily, we discussed your problem and we go to the work. First step. Remove trees. In this step we will remove all the trees in the area. We lay, cut and remove the roots. Also beware of trees that are in danger of falling to the house or a fence. Step 2. Chopping trees and weeds. In this step we start chopping and cutting trees and weeds. The largest trees we cut with chainsaw. Third step. Clearing the land. Here we start to collect all this wood, weeds, roots and clean as much as possible. Step 4. Soil leveling. Here we use a machine called Bulldozer. With this we match the soil so that it is completely clean. When we finished our work, he was delighted. He said it was more than he expected. Now it has a pond where you can appreciate its beauty and a clear place to fish, a place for activities. The smiles of our client at the end of the project I had in mind are an excellent satisfaction for our team. Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. For more information, contact us. We are East TX Land Solutions. See you later.